first of all, I would thank the leadership team for giving me this opportunity to represent my business. So, my dear friends, we are Perfect Impressions. We help you design a great impression on your prospect's mind. Our professional services bouquet include printing, corporate presentation, branding, and graphic design. This is the first time I'm representing my business, so
first time.
Let me introduce you a little bit more to our services. So, beginning with the printing, there is no limit to what you can get designed at Perfect Impressions. Whether you are looking for a spectacular new catalog or stunning flyer, our talented team of designers can turn around quickly. We provide one-step facility where complete range of design and print services are offered under one roof. We have executed almost all types of print jobs such as brochures, catalogs, corporate profile, coffee table book, posters, newspaper inserts, and other services which you can see on the screen. So here are few of the products which we have done for our clients, and 1/8 is one of the very renowned client and brand in the market which we have worked for. Bliss Refrigeration Carrier Air Conditioning is one of our most prominent client, and we design stickers, labels, packages, printed boxes for you as well. So you can see it on the screen. So coming to the part of corporate presentations, we create stories and designs to help our clients achieve more. Whether you are giving a marketing presentation or an investor presentation, the key is to show more and talk less. Perfect Impressions help you package your expertise into highly engaging and impactful presentation. So here are the samples and beautifully designed presentations executed by our team. So this is a presentation which we did for Bliss Refrigeration on their Silver Jubilee celebration, and it is a public relation proposal which I made for one of my old companies which I interned for and is now one of my clients.
Excellent.
We have worked with Sugar Cosmetics as well and made them a social media proposal. So branding, we create beautiful and impactful. We create beautiful and practical designs that generate long-term visibility for brands by looking elegant and classic. We at Perfect Impressions help you build a reputation for your brand. We design danglers, hoardings, glow boards, neon signage, exhibition stall backdrops, danglers, etc. Here, I would like to clarify that we don't design exhibition stalls but only their backdrops. So it is work done by us for Tata Power Solar Carrier Air Conditioning Industry. It is one of our most old clients, and I've worked on few of the projects with them. And it is for the Kumar Engineering Works. This is for One It event. It was a shoe launch and a socks launch done by them. And this is a standee designed for carrier industry as well. Agrinos is one of our biggest clients, and all-round vegetable processing plant is also one of our biggest clients. So here are the few of the works done for Pragati Parivar by us. So this is a business card which we designed for Mr. Amit Goyal. He is an inert member, but it is one of the biggest order for business cards I have ever received. So he gave me business of rupees 12,000 for these business cards.
Wonderful.
And these are the social media posts which we designed for Mr. Sumit Yadav. These are the standees which were placed on the gates as well, which were designed and printed by us. And it's here as well, you can take a look. This is a clickable brochure for Mr. Kaval Rode, and it is a letterhead which we printed for his company.
The back of the directory.
So I would take this opportunity to present a live case study as well. So this is our client named by Dharti Dan, and the company is owned by Mr. Akash Kothari. This was a reference business which we received, and we got it from Ranchi. So they wanted to introduce a concept of gifting a plant in a beautiful yet sturdy gift hamper, which should hold 6 to 8 kgs. This can hold 6 to 8 kgs of weight, approximately 10 kgs, very perfectly. So it was a real challenge for us. A lot of creative ideas came and passed. Samples were created and discarded on account of weak structure and transportation issue. And finally, we zeroed onto this. So this sample can be dismantled and can be traveled into 3 pieces very perfectly. So anybody who wants to have a feel of it can connect with me. So why should you choose us? Now you have heard a lot about us. So we have a very creative team. We work with very different industry segments. We have almost designed 1,000+ designs since last year, and we boast that we always deliver our projects timely. So here are the few testimonials which our customers gave for us. First is by Mr. Kaval Rode. We designed him the brochure, and a e-card for him was designed as well, which we turned around in a day. And this is by Miss Payal Sahani. We connected on LinkedIn, and she, uh, through my profile, gave me few of the social media designing projects. And what she described, that she found us as a diamond in a haystack, which is we are very proud of. So here's a testimonial by Mr. Sumit Yadav.
वंदे मातरम प्रगति। मैंने लास्ट मंथ दृष्टि से परफेक्ट इंटरेक्शंस की जो फाउंडर है उनसे डिज़ाइंस बनवाए थे अपनी कंपनी के लिए, प्रमोशंस के लिए, सेल्स के लिए। और मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा, तो उसका जब हमने फेसबुक पे ऐड चलाई थी तो उसका बहुत, उस डिज़ाइन से बहुत अच्छा इंप्रेशन हमारे पास आया है, बहुत हमारे पास लीड्स भी आई है। और मैं दृष्टि को उसके फ्यूचर के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट कहता हूँ, और वो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, ऐसे ही वो काम करते रहें। तो मुझे लगता है आने वाले टाइम में हमें अच्छा एंटरप्रेनर और अच्छा स्टार्टअप देखने को मिलेगा। ऑल द बेस्ट दृष्टि।
And this testimonial was given by Mr. Abdullah Khan. He was my mentor when I was interning at his organization 2 years back. So he is one of the first clients, and I receive regular business from him now.
वंदे मातरम।
So these are my gifts. These are the companies we work
You
with.
can click photograph. ये इनकी गिव है आज की. You can click photograph. इन सब से ही कनेक्ट करा सकती हैं आप.
And इसके सिवा I am designing e-business cards for all the members of Pragati, which I will be sharing very shortly in the group. So please share the data as well.
Yes. I will announce.
And these are my asks.
Okay, you can click photograph of this also, क्योंकि अगर आप इन्हें कनेक्ट करेंगे तो ये आपको कनेक्ट करेंगे.
We would love to connect into pharmaceutical sector and agrochemical sectors. We mainly do the business of these industries. So now I'm giving you the answer to the big question, that how would you refer us? So whenever you hear words like printing, designing, catalog design, brochure, pamphlet, flyers, या कुछ अच्छा ग्राफिक डिजाइनर बता दो या प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने वाला बता दो, तो प्लीज रेफर अस.
Drishti, are you into book cover designing also?
Yes, we design book covers as well. Any kind of designing we do it. So now it's time for you to sit back and relax. We take care of your corporate communication needs, so you can concentrate on your business for the growth. Thank you. Anybody?
Wonderful presentation. Questions? कितना टाइम बचा है ओमी?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. So 3 minutes is what she has. Ask her questions. Grill करो. इनको नॉलेज है या नहीं है जो इन्होंने प्रेजेंटेशन में बताई? पूछो इनसे. You have any questions? हाँ जी. खड़े होके पूछें.
ऐसा नहीं कोई स्पेसिफिक छोटा बड़ा कुछ भी,
सब कुछ.
मतलब बड़ी कंपनी को ही करना है हमने.
सर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Every level of business you can connect us.
ठीक. मैंने 2000 का ऑर्डर देके स्टैंडीज बनवाई थी. So कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Business is business. Any other question? Okay.
Have you worked in a government sector?
No, we are trying to connect into
करो
government sector.
करो ये ऑप्शन करो. अपना रेफरेंस लिख
मेरा
भरो.
टेंडर्स का है तो बहुत होता है, उसमें बल्क ऑर्डर्स होते हैं.
Sure, we would love to work with you.
So fill up reference slips. किसी ने भरी है? Reference slip for her. Okay, we have 1